is a not so sunny Southern California day, but we have a beautiful Triumph TR250 on the rack to share with you today. This is an immaculate, very, very nice frame-off build. This car is beautiful. You know how much I love these Triumph TR250s? This one is no exception. This one, look at the frame. The frame on this car is one of the nicest I have ever seen. Incredibly straight, very detailed, all powder coated. Every nut and bolt on this car has been replaced. It does have a stainless steel muffler, and we'll take a look at the stainless steel exhaust running forward. But look at the rear suspension. Everything has been replaced. The backing plates for the brakes are powder coated. All new bushings up here on everything. The same thing on the rear end. New CV joints, new CV boots. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. All these bushings are new. The frame, oh, this thing is really well done. You can see the copper fuel line here and the little clips holding everything in place. The new brake lines. Let's move forward. This car is stunning. The floor, look at the floor. It is absolutely gorgeous. The same color as the top of the car. All new rubber plugs in the bottom. There's that 4-speed Triumph transmission. And there's the slave cylinder for the clutch. Every little detail on this car is well done. Here's those clips again, and everything runs through the frame just as it should. What a great, great build. This car had a lot of detail, a lot of time, and a lot of love given to it. We can see how clean the bottom of the motor is here, and the suspension. All the suspension components, everything is fresh and new. Looks absolutely fantastic. Let's look on this side. We'll go underneath. I've got the jack tray here, so we're going to have to go up to the front. But you'll see this frame is just as nice in front. All the suspension components are just as nice. This is one of the cleanest TR250s. Our white one was gorgeous. This one is even better. What a great looking car. Here's that aftermarket stainless steel exhaust, just like the last car had. And we'll work our way back. I love these TR250s just for their simplicity and their beauty. This one is no exception. What a great car. We're getting it ready for sale. It will be up very shortly. So we'll do more videos and pictures as we get it ready for the sale. But I just wanted to share with you because these cars, they're really neat little cars. And this one is very, very well done. All right, everyone. Look forward to sharing more with you as we get it ready for sale.